Have you ever dreamed of flying like a bird? Welcome to the world of flying. It's not just skydiving, it's the ultimate freedom. Soaring through the skies at high altitudes. Feeling the rush, the wind, the thrill. It's an experience you'll never forget. From first jump to license training, this extreme sport challenges your limits and unlocks pure joy. This happiness